The look-around feature in Apple Maps provides an interactive street-level view that allows us to virtually explore cities and neighborhoods in a smooth, high-resolution experience. When activated, it displays a 360-degree perspective of streets, similar to walking or driving along them. We are able to pan around, zoom in on buildings, and move seamlessly along roads. If look-around is available in the area of the map we are viewing, as we zoom into the map, this binoculars icon will appear. Click, and the look-around window opens in the upper left. The look-around icon is now overlaid on the map, letting us know where the look-around view is from and what direction we are facing. Click and drag to pan the look-around view, and the icon rotates. Click and drag on the map to move the look-around view to a different location. Let's head towards the waterfront. To move from within the look-around view, just single-click to jump forward. On the Seattle map, we can even move along pedestrian areas of this pier. On the map, let's move into the downtown area. Then click the full screen button to expand the look-around view. Just like before, we can single-click to jump forward, and then click and drag any direction to pan around. A two-finger trackpad swipe also works when in full screen. Notice that streets and businesses have labels overlaid on them, just like they do in the 2D or 3D map. We can also hide all labels while in look-around from here. That can clean up the view in dense areas. In the US, only major cities have look-around available. In Canada, however, almost every city and even mid-sized towns have look-around available. This is the full list of locations that have look-around available as of early 2026. Notice that there are several full countries listed, such as Norway. If we view a small town in Norway, look-around is indeed available, which is pretty cool. So, Apple is much further along with Street View in Europe, Australia, and Japan than they seem to be in the USA. Look-around is especially useful for previewing destinations, checking landmarks, and familiarizing yourself with an area before visiting.